In this video I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines from Google Docs. So as you can see, I'm in Google Docs and I've got this table and I want to remove the grid lines. You can select the whole table like this, and then you need to go to this button over here, so the border width, and here you can select 0 point. And now the grid lines are gone. Let me put them back. You can also remove the grid lines from a certain part, so I select this row, then I go back to this 0, and they are gone. So you can do this for one cell, and it is also possible to only remove the bottom line, for example. So I select this whole row, and then I go to this little triangle over here, and here select the bottom, so the bottom line. But you can also select the upper line if you want to. But I select the bottom line for this demo, and you see that it is selected now. And then I go back to the button for the border width, and I go to 0 point, and now it's gone. You can also change the formatting of the table. So you select the table and go to Format, Table, Table Properties. And then you have a lot of options to change the table. So like the margins from here, columns, rows, like this. And this is how to remove grid lines from Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one.